Something big is brewing inside Google's Pixel team, and this time, it's not just about cameras or software tricks. Rumors are hinting at a deep-level hardware shakeup that could completely redefine how Pixel phones connect to the world. It's one of those behind-the-scenes moves that sound small, until you realize it could change everything from speed to signal reliability. Hey everyone, welcome back. Sam here. If you're enjoying these deep dives into the future of tech, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow tech lovers, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Alright, let's get into it. So here's the scoop. After years of relying on Samsung's modems, Google might finally be cutting the cord. Multiple new leaks suggest that the Pixel 11 series, expected in 2026, could be the first to feature a MediaTek M90 modem paired with Google's own Tensor G6 chip. Yeah, that's right, MediaTek, the company best known for powering mid-range phones, could soon be sitting inside Google's next flagship. Sounds unexpected, right? But here's why it actually makes a ton of sense. MediaTek's new M90 modem isn't your average chip, it's an absolute beast. Officially unveiled in early 2025, it supports download speeds up to 12 gigabytes per second, and it's built to handle the next wave of 5G technology under the 3GPP Release 17 and 18 standards. Translation? It's future-proofed for the kind of ultra-fast, ultra-stable network experience we've all been waiting for. Now, here's where things get spicy. This modem supports dual 5 active SIMs, meaning you could have to 5 connections running at once, something Pixel users have been asking for since forever. And on top of that, it includes built-in satellite connectivity, letting you send messages or get emergency access even if you're completely off the grid. Imagine hiking somewhere remote and still being able to contact someone. That's next-level freedom. But this move isn't just about convenience. For years, Pixel phones have had one consistent complaint: inconsistent network performance. Some users experienced weaker signal reception and slower 5G compared to Samsung and iPhone flagships. If Google really moves to MediaTek's modem, it could finally eliminate those bottlenecks and deliver the kind of connectivity that Pixel hardware has always deserved. And there's another layer to this story. This potential switch signals something much bigger: Google's slow but steady breakaway from Samsung's ecosystem. Ever since the original Tensor chip, Samsung's been heavily involved in both chip manufacturing and modem integration. But if Google really goes with MediaTek for the Pixel 11, it's a sign they're ready to fully own their hardware destiny. That means more control, better optimization, and possibly a big leap forward in efficiency and power management. Of course, the move also raises questions. Why MediaTek and not Qualcomm? Why now? Well, it could be that MediaTek's been quietly leveling up behind the scenes. Their Dimensity lineup has proven that they can go head-to-head with Snapdragon chips, and their network tech has improved dramatically, especially in terms of stability and power efficiency. For Google, partnering with MediaTek could be the perfect balance between performance, cost, and control. Now, here's the fun part. If Google really does make this modem switch, the Pixel 11 lineup could be more than just faster. It could also be smarter with how it handles connectivity. Think seamless switching between Wi-Fi, 5G, and satellite, or AI-driven optimization that predicts which network you'll need before you even notice the drop. That's where the Tensor G6 comes in, designed to work in harmony with the M90 modem, potentially delivering a smoother, more reliable online experience than any previous Pixel. Still, as exciting as it all sounds, Google hasn't confirmed anything yet. No official word from MediaTek either. But if these leaks are true, 2026 could mark a major turning point for Pixel, a year where Google finally steps out from Samsung's shadow and starts crafting a truly independent, end-to-end ecosystem. So here's the big question. Will the Pixel 11 finally give Google the hardware edge it's been chasing for years? Or is this just another rumor that fizzles out before launch? Personally, I think something's definitely shifting behind the curtain, and the Pixel 11 might be the first real sign of Google's long game. Either way, the next few months are going to be fascinating. I'll be keeping an eye on every new leak, so stay tuned. This story's only just getting started.